step one, you have to be able to crank down with your non-dominant foot. And while you're cranking down, you have to lift your front tire up and extend your arms, not all the way straight, but almost all the way straight with a little bit of bend. Go ahead. Step two, you have to feather the brake. After you get it cranked up, you have to feather it so then you don't go over backwards and then potentially fall. So let's see how you do this. Try to keep your finger on the brake and keep feathering it. Step three is balancing. Let's see how you normally balance and try to keep yourself from not falling over. Let's see this. So instead of moving the front tire to try to balance, you have to move the opposite knee away from the way that you are falling. And you also have to keep in mind to feather that brake and to just keep cranking and keep the front tire up. Okay, so try that. More tips on wheeling is that if you are a beginner, you should probably raise your seat post a little bit to almost its max, because then your balance point, which is your back axle, you don't need to lift the front wheel as high. Also, you should probably go on a slight incline and normally on grass, because if you do fall, then it won't hurt. So unless you feel very comfortable with your starting wheelies, you should stay on grass, even though it is easier to go on pavement.
Oh, I hit my thing. So, this is going to be me just getting my front tire up and trying to do a wheelie. So now this is kicking it up and continue pedaling while trying to feather the brake. So this is going to be me getting my front wheel up, feathering the brake, and also trying to balance with my knees, not my front wheel as much.
Now, you only want to press your back brake a little bit if you have not as stiff brakes. But if you do have stiff brakes, you have to figure out how much you want to press it in, so then you will go down, but you won't go down too fast. So, you don't want to press your front brake unless you want a challenge doing your wheelie, because it is harder when you have your front wheel stopped. So if you do want a challenge, go ahead, press your front brake.
Now, if you get really good at doing it, put your seat as far down as it goes, and then try doing a wheelie.
Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you get better at wheeling.